Today we're going to show you how to get the same image on the projector as the monitor in the classroom. In this one we're using the Hall of Science room 300. So in this case we're seeing the Windows desktop on the projector, but we're really not seeing anything over here on the Windows PC monitor. It's nothing. So we're going to show you how to make these displays identical. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the mouse, because typically it'll be thinking of these as extended monitors. So it's thinking of this as monitor 1 and this is monitor 2. So it's showing different things on each. So first I can see the mouse cursor over there. I'm going to move that over to this monitor, and I'm either just going to kind of slide right or left until I start to see, oh, and there's the cursor. So all I have to do is right click and then go down to screen resolution. I'm going to zoom in here on this. Screen resolution. So again, it's right click, click on screen resolution, and you'll see here it's showing the two separate monitors. What we want to do is go down to multiple displays, click the drag down menu, and click on duplicate these displays. So we click on that, click on apply, and it'll go blank as it's reconfiguring, and then make sure to keep changes before it times out. So we're going to keep those changes, then make sure to click OK. Alright, and now we'll see the monitor has the regular Windows controls and everything, and we'll also see that the projector also has the same thing. So the same image is now on both displays. And again, to summarize, go to the desktop, right click, click on screen resolution, and in the drop down box for multiple displays, make sure to click on duplicate these displays. Click apply, then click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.